Hello all, today we will be doing the numericals of lengths. These numericals are really easy, but certain students are afraid of solving them. So let's start with the first numerical. It says an object 3 centimeter in height, that means it's given O here, is placed 20 centimeter away. It's written 20 centimeter away. It is given U from convex lens of focal length 12 centimeter. So what is this? Focal length. Find the nature, position and height. So let me write the given first here. What are the given things? As we have already marked, let's see, its object height. What does it say? It's 3 centimeter. Then U, that is minus 20 centimeter. And then it's given focal length. Since it is a convex lens, so focal length will be plus 12 centimeter. Now, what are the things they have asked? Let's see. It is V and I along with nature, that we will tell you right now. We know the formula is 1 upon F is equal to 1 upon V minus 1 upon U. This is the length formula. As we have written the given things and we are aware that we have to find 3 of the things, 1, 2 and 3, and 2 are already given. So, I just write the value of 12 here, 1 upon V minus, what is the value of U? It's minus 20. So 1 upon 12 is equal to 1 upon V plus 1 upon 20. Is it clear? Now 1 upon 12 minus 1 upon 20 will give you 1 upon V. Okay. Now let's see what is the LCM of 12 and 20. It is 2, 6, 10. 2, 3, 5, 3, 1, 5, 5, 1, 1. 5 is the 15, 15 to the 30, 3 to the 60. So the LCM is 60. Let's check it again. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 12, 12, 5 is the 60. 6, 2, 10, 2, 3, 5, 3, 1, 1. Yes. So when you multiply it with 5, it comes out to be 5 minus and it is 3. So 1 upon V. 5 minus 3, what does it mean? 2 upon 60 is equal to 1 upon V. So V is equal to 30 centimeter with a positive sign. It is with a positive sign. And we know that in lengths, if it is a positive sign, it means that it is real and inverted. Let's find out the height of the image here. What is the height of the image? I upon O is equal to V by U. So I is equal to V upon, sorry, I'll write directly values. What is the value of V here? 30 upon minus 20 multiplied by 3. So what is the answer here? I is equal to 9 upon 2, and that is 4.5 centimeter. Is it clear? We know that sign of image height and image distance has to be different in cases of length. See, it's positive here and it's negative here. It's negative here. We have to use this minus 20, so it will be minus 4.5. So what will be the nature? Nature will be real and inverted. Is it clear? Please note down the question right now. Let's start with the next question now. Let me rub it first. What does it say? How far from convex lens of focal length? 20 centimeter. So what are the given things here now? Focal length is equal to positive 20. Why positive 20? Because it is the convex lens. Is it clear? Would you place an object? Yes, what they have asked is u, object distance, okay, to get the image enlarged 3 times. So we know that magnification here is 3. The magnification here is 3. Students, we know that in case of convex lens, to get the magnification 3 times, how many positions are there? Yes, it is 2. 3, as we can get plus 3 and minus 3, because it forms both real and inverted and virtual erect image. Both can have 3 times enlarged or 4 times enlarged or simply enlarged. So we'll solve this question twice. Let me tell you how to do this. We'll take the case 1 first. When magnification is plus 3, what do you mean by plus 3? Plus means it is real and inverted. It's real and inverted. So we know that V upon U is equal to 3. So V comes out to be 3U. By substituting the values here, 1 upon F is equal to 1 upon 3U minus 1 upon U. Because the formula is 1 upon F is equal to 1 upon V minus 1 upon U. We'll simply substitute the values here, and we know that the value of F is 20 here is equal to 3U will be the LCM. Clear? And it will be 1 minus 3. Got it? So by simply cross multiplying, I get 1 by 20 is equal to minus 2 upon 3U. So finding the value for 3U, it's 20 into minus 2, or U is equal to 20 into minus 2 divided by 3. Got it? So the answer here is minus 40 by 3 centimeter. Is it clear? This is when we'll have the image which is real and inverted, as it is forming behind the lens. So let's see what will happen if I take magnification is equal to minus 3. If I say magnification is minus 3, what does this mean here? Minus sign says that the I'm sorry, it is virtual and erect. So I'll put simply the formula V by U is equal to minus 3, or V is equal to minus 3 U. By putting the values in the formula, okay, by putting again 1 upon 20 is equal to 3U. So minus 1 and again minus 3. So 1 upon minus 20 is equal to minus 4 by 3U. And the answer will be 3U is equal to why plus only 20 into minus 4, and U is equal to minus 80 by 3 centimeter. We all know that the answer, that is the object distance, is always taken negative, and as you can see, the answer itself is coming in with negative sign. Please note it down right now. Let's get back to the third question now. Calculate the focal length of convex lens. Calculate the focal length. Already it's saying convex lens, which produces virtual image at distance of 50 centimeter from an object placed 20 centimeter in front of it. I'll repeat the question. Calculate the focal length of convex lens, which produces virtual image at distance of 50 centimeter from an object placed 20 centimeter. So, things given here are, see, it's convex lens, got it, and it's producing the virtual image. We know that for virtual image V is always negative, so we'll take it minus 50 centimeter and U is minus 20 centimeter. Clear? We need to find F. So we know the formula 1 upon F is equal to 1 upon V minus 1 upon U. Got it? So let me see. V is minus 50 minus 20. We have to take care of these signs very properly. See here, it's minus 50 here because it's virtual image. We know that the value of U is always negative. I have put it here, and minus sign is here also with the formula. So this minus and this minus, this will be plus. So 1 upon F is equal to 1 upon minus 50 and plus 1 by 20. Got it? Now let's take the LCM. It's 50 by 20. It comes out to be 10, 5, 2, 5, 1, 2, 2, 1, 1. It's 100. 5 to the 10 is, yes. So 1 upon F is equal to 100. Now minus 2 and plus 5. So answer is 3 upon 100, or F is equal to positive 3 by 100 by 3 centimeter, which means that yes, the answer is coming in positive, which says that yes, it is a convex lens, because focal length of convex lens is always considered positive. Got it? So let's move on to the next question now. Calculate the focal length of convex lens which produces a virtual image at distance of 75 centimeter from an object placed 25 centimeter in front of it. It is the same type of question, so can be done very easily. What are the given things here? Virtual image of distance V is plus 75 centimeter. Sorry. Since it is virtual, we will take it negative. What is U here? It's minus 25 centimeter, and we have to find the focal length. So 1 upon F is equal to 1 upon V minus 1 upon U. So 1 upon F is equal to 1 upon minus 75 minus 25. Is it clear? I'll put the values here. The LCM is 75. Got it? So minus 1 plus 3, and it is 1 upon F is equal to 2 by 75 or 1 by 37.5, or F is equal to 37.5 centimeter in positive. That means it is a convex lens, which we draw already. Got it? Let me start with the next question now. A converging lens. Now students, we must know what is a converging lens. Converging lens is a convex lens. Is it clear? So a converging lens of focal length 5 centimeter. F is plus 5 centimeter. Is placed at a distance of 20 centimeter from the screen. Students, I am going to tell you one thing. Whenever they talk about the screen distance, so what is screen? Screen is where we take the image. So, it is the distance of screen from mirror or lens. That means it is image distance. So, the V here is, since it is a converging lens, focal length V. V is 20 centimeter from the screen. How far from the lens should an object be placed to obtain, it forms a real image on the screen? See, for finding the sign of V, we need to know the nature, which it has already given here. It is a real image, and for real image, the sign of V is always positive. So, I'll write it here, positive, and like this here. Got it? Now, I'll put it in the formula. Is it clear? So, I'll put the values now. What is the, as always I say, we must always use LCM, this method, to solve the questions. So, the answer is 20. So, 4 minus 1 is equal to 1 upon u with minus sign. We know that it is 3 by 20 is equal to minus 1 by u, or minus, or I'll just invert it now. It is 20 by 3 with minus sign, which is equal to 1 by u. Sorry, it's not 1 by u, it will be u only. The answer is very clear. The value of u has to be always negative, and we are getting it here very easily. I have to put this sign from there to here. We all know about this. Is it clear? Let's start with another question now. A concave lens has focal length of 15 centimeter. We know that the concave lens, yes, concave lens has focal length always negative. Is it clear? At what distance should the object from the lens be placed so that it forms the image 10 centimeter from the lens? So, V is 10 centimeter, and of course, it is going to be, can you tell me it is positive or negative? Yes, it is always negative. Why negative, students? Can you tell me? It is negative because it always lies on left hand side. Concave lens will always form the image here only, and this side is with minus sign. Am I clear? So, we'll take it minus over here, and what we need to find out right now here is magnification we have to find, and at what distance the object, that means u. So, by putting the formula 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v minus 1 upon u, I find that 1 upon minus 15 centimeter is equal to, what is v? Minus 10 minus u. Got it? So, 1 upon minus 15 plus 1 by 10 is equal to 1 by u of minus. We know that the LCM of 15 and 10 is 30. So, 30 is equal to minus 2 plus 3 is equal to minus this. So, the answer is 3 upon 10 is equal to minus 1 by u, or sorry, it's not 3, it's 1. It is 1 upon 30 is equal to minus 1 by u, or u is equal to minus 30 centimeter. Is it clear? Now we need to find the magnification also. So what is the formula of magnification? It is only v by u. So m is equal to, what is the value of v here? It's minus 10 upon minus 30. So the answer is 1 upon 3. We all know that magnification does not have any unit. You know why? Because it is the ratio of two another unit, another quantities which have same units. So those units get cancelled by. Please note it down right now. So let's move on to next question now. Two lenses of power 3 diopter and minus 5 diopter. Two lenses of power are placed in contact to form composite lens. An object is placed at distance of 50 centimeter. This is u. This composite lens. Find the position of image. So this one is tricky. How will we do that? First of all, let's see the relation between power and focal length. We all know that power is equal to 1 upon f. Am I clear? So let me find out its focal length first. When we combine these two lenses with together, we know that when it is with positive sign, it is a convex lens. When it is with a negative sign, it is a concave lens. But when we combine these together, then the answer or the focal length which will be actual focal length will be, it is the algebraic sum of those two. So how can we do that now? Yes, 3 minus 5. Answer comes out to be minus 2 diopter. So this is the resultant part. I'll write it minus 2 on f is equal to 100 upon f, and it is minus 2. The answer comes out to be minus 50 centimeter. Am I clear? It's minus 50 centimeter. Now I'll be using this focal length for further solutions. We know that it is saying that object is placed at 50 centimeter again. So I'll write it here. 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v minus 1 upon u. Got it? So 1 upon f means, what is v here? We have to find out what is u here. It is again minus 50. Okay. So while solving it, we know it that minus 50 is equal to 1 upon v plus 1 upon 50. As minus minus becomes positive. So is equal to 1 upon v, LCM will be 50. Am I clear? LCM is 50 here. So I'll write it. Answer is minus 1 and minus 1, and the answer is only 1 upon v. Got it? 50 centimeter convex lens, 1 upon f. After distance 50 centimeter. Yes, answer is, let me see if there's something there. So minus plus minus 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 here. The answer is minus 2 by 50 is equal to 1 upon v. Okay, or the answer will be minus 25 centimeter. Are you getting the thing? Is it clear? Please note it down right now. I hope you have noted it down. And if you're okay, if you're having problem in here, I'll just write it here again for you. It is